This is my homemade bell. That's my bell buckle. I made that one too to match my freaking tattoo right there. You can see it. Got the tattoo for a few years and made that one out of a supposed to be a G. Made that one out of a stainless steel. Has leather inside and aluminum, and I put everything together with screws. There are 5 little screws right here, right in the back. It's really easy to make those. I'm gonna make another video to show you how to do the bell and the bell buckle. And I have a lot of freaking stuff in here to keep working on. My friend gave me all those. He was saving them for somebody, and I asked him to give me some, and he said, go ahead, take them. So just imagine how many beers did he drink to get all that, or Cokes, or Pepsi, whatever. So I'm gonna show you how to make those. I'm gonna make another video later, and that's my first one. So alright.